Back to my channel. This is the third video that I'm making about this pencils. You can see here I'll be giving all these pencils review, and if you really enjoy my video, please subscribe, press the like button, and let's give the review of this. So this is the pencil what I was talking about. So I have here Marco Refine. So this contains 2H pencil, H pencil, F pencil, FB, HB pencil, B pencil, 2B pencil, 3B pencil, 4B pencil, 5B pencil, 6B pencil, 7B pencil, and 8B pencil. So there are many other pencils like this, but today I'm just gonna say about these pencils. So I just got a new box, so I'll just unbox it near you. Yep, here it is. So let's just open it. Yeah, so here you can see all the kinds of pencils. Here it starts with 2H pencil, and here it starts with 8 HB pencils. So I'm gonna say all the features of these pencils. So I'm gonna say all the features of these pencils. These pencils are very easy, like it's good to draw. So I always recommend you to use this pencil over here, this one. This pencil's name is 2B pencil. You can see, I'll just focus over here. Yeah, you can see this pencil's name is 2B pencil. So this pencil is very good for drawing purpose and all. So I will always recommend you to use this pencil. So now I will say all the features of these pencils. So I will start with B pencil. So B pencil means black. B means black. B counts as black. It is usually used. It's a very lighter pencil that you can use for drawing hairs and all. Awesome hairs. Very nice hairs you can draw with these things. You can see how I'm drawing the hair. So it is very light. If you are a beginner, so you can use this B pencil if you are a beginner. And next comes this 2B, means 2 times of black. So in this one it is a little darker than the B pencil. So I'll just write here B and here 2B. You can see it's a little fat, and it's nice. I like it. So I always recommend you if you're a new beginner drawers, if you're an artist, new beginner artist, so you can use this 2B pencils. Good pencil, I must say. Nice pencils. So this is only 1H over here. It's lighter than the 2H, so you can use this also. And now comes the HB. So many of the people said, what is the full form of HB? So HB means hard black. HB means it's hard black. What is the meaning of hard black? Means it is black, but it has a hardness. You can see there's a hardness in this black. We usually use this pencil for writing notes and all, but in my hand I have this as a sketching pencil. This is HB pencil, not any other pencil, just HB. You can use this also for usual drawings and all. And next I have is B pencil, which I already told you. Then 2B, 4B. Now we come to 4B pencil. Means 4 times harder, 4 times blacker. So 4B pencil is, you can see the tip of the pencil is little fat. You can just see, because it's 4 times blacker, and as the number grows in here, you can see the tip of the pencils gets fatter. You can see this is 5B pencil over here, 6B pencil over here. So look at the tip of the pencil. So fat it is. and you can see 8B pencil. 8B pencil has more fat. So in here 8B pencils are also called as glass drawing pencils because this has a very hardness, and if you like go to blend it on, see, it blends awesome. So this is also called as glass drawing pencils. You can also use it if you are making any oil pastel arts, or if you are a very good artist. You beginner guys, if you are a very good artist, you can use this pencil, 8B pencil, you can see here, just to give some graphics. In a drawing, the main thing is graphics, so you can add graphics through these pencils. So I just bought this new pencil just to give a review to you guys. I just want to show you how the pencils are and what are the features of the pencils. So before going for an art, you should learn about the pencils. So this is the basic of the pencils you can do, and in my future videos I will do more arts using these pencils, and I will say you how the drawings are. So guys, if you wanna get all my new videos notification, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon to get my all the new videos. And if you enjoy the video, please like my video and comment below if you have any suggestion or questions about my next video. So I was thinking in my next video I will draw a snake, very nice snake, through these pencils. So that would be my first drawing. So this is my first drawing, so I thought why don't I just review some pencils, because lots of my friends ask me questions that what is the meaning of these pencils. So I thought most of my artist people don't know the meaning of these pencils, so I just gave you this pencils review. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please press the like button, subscribe, and that's what I can say. Guys, how do you like my review video? Please comment down below, and if you really have any questions or suggestions, please comment that also in video. Also, if you really enjoyed, press the like button and subscribe, and press the bell icon if you want to get all my latest videos notifications. Please help me reach 1K subscribers, because if I get 1K subscribers, I literally will customize lots and lots of amazing stuff. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon to get all my awesome videos notifications. Goodbye and take care.